Welcome to Exotic Spices. Let's cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make butter chicken. Here are your ingredients. Starting with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. It could be fresh garlic or powder, either or. A 1/3 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. A 1/4 cup of tandoori paste or powder. A 1/3 cup of butter chicken paste or powder. 1/2 teaspoon of chilli. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 3 cups of chopped chicken, 473 milliliter or 2 cups of whipping cream, 796 milliliter or 3¼ cups of crushed tomato. If you're wondering where you can get these Indian spices, you can either get it at your local supermarket or Google Maps search for stores near you that have it. First, take a lemon juice and pour half of it into the chicken. Half of turmeric. Half of tandoori paste or powder. A 1/3 of butter chicken paste or powder, the whole chili, half salt, Now mix them all together until they evenly coated all over. Now turn your stove on to high and pour in your 2 tablespoons of oil. You notice I'm refilling another 2 tablespoons of oil for later. Now that the oil is heated, go ahead and pour in your chicken and spread it evenly. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. Occasionally stir the chicken to make sure it's not sticking at the bottom. And keep the lid covered within that 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take a piece of chicken aside and see, taste it. Is it to your like? If you feel it's a tiny bit too raw for you, you can cook it for about 2-3 more minutes and then pour it back into the dish. In the same pot, pour in the other 2 tablespoons of oil and pour in your tomato paste. Please be aware some of the tomato paste may still have the seeds on. So if you can, try to shift them so that there are no little tiny bits in there. When you're pouring this in, your heat should be back into high. Give it about a couple of seconds of stir until you see the bubbles popping. Pour in the remaining butter chicken paste or powder, your garlic, your tandoori paste or powder, turmeric, lemon juice, sugar, and salt. Let it sit for a bit. And then go ahead and pour in your whipping cream. And continue mixing it until it's well blended. You can adjust the heat according to how well your stove is cooking. If it's too low, turn it up a bit. If it's too high, turn it down a bit. You should continue stirring until your texture looks like this. One creamy butter chicken. Due to camera difficulties, this is from another day. Next, you pour in your parsley. And then pour in your chicken. And stir it until they're all evenly mixed. Then cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes while constantly stirring it to make sure it's not sticking at the bottom. And that's it. You have just learned how to make butter chicken. And this is the perfect shot of how your butter chicken is going to look with some rice and naan. I do hope you enjoyed cooking as much as I did. Please note that there is a lot of sauce in mine. If you do not like that much sauce, the tomato paste and the whipping cream ingredient can be cut in half. The only reason it's that much is my family loves the butter chicken sauce. So for that reason, mine is very saucy. I hope you like this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.